Every life begins with a woman. Women are wonderful, outstanding, marvelous, adorable, and nice. They are the real architects of society. Let us thank the women today and every day for being such an important part of everyone's life. Let us all celebrate the women in our life. A very warm and hearty morning to all. This is Meenakshi Chaudhary from class 8 presenting morning assembly on the occasion of International Women's Day, which is observed on March 8 every year. To celebrate the achievements and contributions of women and girls in different spheres and to create awareness among women to take a stand for themselves and fight against gender discrimination in society. Before we start, we wish to all the women of the world Happy Women's Day. With this, let us start today's morning assembly. Dear friends, God is with us always and even in most difficult of times. He is here to support us and bring us strength for the new day. Let's get ready for prayer. Join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer. After prayer, patriotism is a feeling of love, devotion, and sense of attachment to one's country. It's something that can't be explained in words. It's not something, it's everything. Dear friends, it's a bridge connecting a citizen to his motherland. We are proud to be an Indian. Pledge instills the sense of patriotism towards our country. Let us take a vow with Supriya from class 8th. Thank you very much, Supriya. The Women's Day has been celebrated for well over a century, with the first one in 1911 marks a call to action for accelerating gender parity. It is about giving women a voice. Dear friends, there should be a paradigm shift in the way in which parents nurture their children, both male and female. The seeds of equality need to be sown in early childhood and in every household. Well, let us move to the next, that is the thought of the day. For this, I would like to invite Vani from class 8. Good morning, everyone. My name is Vani. Thought of the day is achieving gender equality requires the engagement of women and men, girls and boys. It is everyone's responsibility. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you very much, Vani, for such a nice thought. International Women's Day is a time to thank the women in the world. There is no doubt that women are making the world a better place with their infinite strength, willpower, and determination. This day is to speak up for gender equality. And this year's theme for International Women's Day is Gender Equality Today for a Sustainable Tomorrow. What gender equality means and why is it important? Next, I would like to invite on stage Veer from class 8 to deliver a speech. Thank you very much, Veer, for such a nice speech. Dear friends, knowledge is power. This is absolutely true, and we all must upgrade our knowledge about various categories of general knowledge. May it be sports, science, and technology, current affairs, as we are celebrating something special today. On today's very special occasion of International Women's Day, let us test and increase our knowledge about the first Indian women in India to achieve greatness in their fields. For GK quiz, I would like to invite on stage Honey from class 9th. Thank you very much, Honey, for increasing and testing our knowledge. International Women's Day is the day to celebrate women's achievement, and there are many songs which are best to entertain people, to encourage people to respect women, empowers women, and celebrate their existence. And now let's enjoy a song. I would like to invite on stage Sonali and Nitya from class 8. Thank you to both of you for such a motivational song. Women are the key to sustainable development and quality of life in the family. She plays role of wife, leader, administrator, manager of family income, and last but not the least important, the mother. Let us know more about the importance of women in the world. I would like to invite respected Mrs. Ria ma'am to speak on the special occasion of International Women's Day. Thank you so much, ma'am, for these precious words. And now we are at the end of today's morning assembly. Everybody get ready for National Anthem and start.